Dun, 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 dun. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to 24 Days of Science Experiments with me, Erica, and Ro.
Halfway.
Halfway there. Whoa, crazy.
Number 12. All right. But before we do this, yesterday I tried to make an electromagnet.
You did.
And it was not a success. But I've consulted with your dad and he helped me. So
The Oracle.
we're going to try this again. So we had yesterday a screw and a coil. So we're going to put the screw in the coil. Erica, I want you to hold it.
Should I bring the camera closer? No. Okay,
Yeah, I'll bring the camera closer. I'm going to give you the instructions here. Okay. So that you can do this experiment for us. So on the paper here we've got some paper clips. So I want you to hold this by the coil ends and just put that screw near them. See what happens.
Nothing.
Okay. So now we're going to introduce this battery. I want you to put one end on there and the other end on there. You can probably hold it like that.
Okay, it's not going to zap me?
It won't zap you. This doesn't have the power to zap you.
I don't know, clearly.
So you're going to hold the battery to each side of the coil and now see if you can pick up.
Whoa! Yeah!
So now we've got a magnet. We used a battery to make a magnet. So the electricity from the magnet, and what else is happening? Can you feel any heat?
Not yet.
Not yet? Maybe the battery's flatter than when I tried it. It got quite warm when I tried it yesterday.
Whoa, I got two.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, I almost got four.
That's not a super powerful magnet that it makes, but
What a fun time.
But there we go. So redemption from yesterday's total failure. Anyway, we can get that out of the way.
Oh, the battery's
warm.
warm.
Yeah, the battery's warm.
Oh.
Yeah, it's had its power just draining away into our little electromagnet.
It's over here.
Oh yes, sorry, I took the book away.
That's alright. It's back now.
Alright, what are we doing today?
Today we're going to experiment with colors.
Colors, oh.
Colors. And this one had quite a few things that we needed for the additional experiments today, so we're going to go one by one. So, experiment one. We need cooking oil.
Cooking oil, okay.
2 glasses.
2 glasses.
Day 2 dropper.
Day 2 dropper.
And a fizzy tablet.
Ooh. A fizzy tablet.
Ooh, okay.
Alright, what are we doing?
So, our preparation is the dye tablets, which are in here. So you can see they look like just little balls. There we go. Little balls of color. So they are water soluble. For the first experiment, we just need 1 color. So at this stage, dissolve 1 tablet. Take a glass, fill no more than 0.5 inches of water, and add one of the dye
Which one
tablets.
should we use? This is what they look like.
What do you guys think? Yell at your camera. Your camera? Yell at the screen.
Let's do purple.
Okay.
Presumably we can put the other ones into those glasses for
Yeah, I would
afterwards.
think so.
So we've got purple there, and how much do we want?
0.5 inch of water.
Oh, I didn't bring water.
Oh.
I will bring water.
That's all right. So, but what's going to happen? We're going to dissolve this little dye guy. Then we're going to pour water into the empty glass and fill it up with cooking oil. While the oil will penetrate the water, it will neither sink to the bottom nor mix with the water. Instead, it will rise again. This is because oil is lighter than water. It therefore floats on water. So, that's exciting.
All right.
Stir the toothpick once in a while.
Okay, so just ½ an inch.
Yes, please. It's diluting. Solute. It's becoming.
Dissolving.
That's the word. Thank you. Dissolving.
Dissolving very slowly. I might put water to the other ones just to get them having a little head start.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. So, in our other, we need to pour some water into an empty glass and fill it up with cooking oil.
Okay. pour some water in. And then top it up. Should we bring in the camera closer for this one?
Yeah, sure. Let's do it. Come here, camera. Filling it up with cooking oil.
Is that enough, or do we need more cooking oil in there?
All right, look at that cooking oil go. I love the little bubbles. Lovely bubbles. Okay, so now you can see that the cooking oil is separated from the water. Very exciting. Now take a drop of dye and put a little droplet of dye on the oil surface. Yeah, great color choice.
On the surface
On
of the oil?
surface of the oil.
Can you see clearly?
It's better. Yeah, go ahead.
Alright, so looking from the side.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, look at them go. Wow. Those droplets of colored dye are going right down. Wah, bloop.
Once they get heavy enough to avoid the surface tension, they just make their way down through. That's really fun.
We learned about surface tension at the beginning of this road of experiments. Okay, I'm gonna get a nice zoom in there. Look at that.
Very cool. What do we do next?
Wow, I'm just really fascinated by this. So, experiment 2. So, we're still dissolving our dye as we need to be. Great. Now we have 3 colors. Use the dropper to take up a little bit of one dye. Pour some milk into a basin, preferably a deep baking tray. Just
Okay.
enough milk to cover the bottom of the surface. And then we're gonna put droplets of color on the milk surface.
Okay.
Those are our
so
colors.
here's our tray.
Okay.
It's our tray and our milk.
Perfect. So we're gonna pour some milk. Yeah,
Just enough to cover the surface.
just
Okay.
enough.
That's it.
Yeah, looks good. Oh, yeah, there it goes.
There we go. All right.
Okay, so let's do some color. Oh, yeah, the dye of from your cooking oil is going on an adventure.
It is, yeah.
Anyway, so these little tablets are still taking their time dissolving. No problem at all. We are
Do you want
ready
to give them a
go.
minute?
No, I think we're good. I think
Okay.
we'll just I'm just gonna swirl.
All right, give me instructions. So.
Okay, so use the dropper to take up a little of one dye
All right, I'll take up some of the blue. Yeah.
and drop some colored drops on the milk surface. Oh yeah. Put them wherever you like, but don't make too many dots.
Well, I don't know what too many dots is.
That looks perfect.
Okay.
Now, do another color.
Okay, let's try some of the yellow.
Yeah. And I'm gonna need to take this cotton swab and put some dishwashing liquid on it. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so fun.
So should do some of the red as well.
Yeah.
Get a whole bunch of different colours in there. Ooh, the red's quite vivid.
Yeah. Oh, that's great.
All right.
Okay. I just need a little bit of dishwashing liquid on the tip of that.
Dishwashing liquid on the tip.
Not too much. No, not dripping. Just a little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
Not dripping, just a little
Just
bit.
a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna attach this to. Whoa! Do you wanna?
Wow. Wow, look at that go.
Woo!
Wow. What happens if you touch it with the other end of the cotton swab? Without?
Without the stuff on it?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Then the dishwashing liquid
It's the
ends.
dishwashing liquid and makes them go. Woo!
Hang on a sec. Is that a focus? There we go. Wow.
Oh,
Wild.
I'm just drawing. How fun. So this happens because the dishwashing liquid has a lower surface tension than milk. So at the point of contact, some of the liquid mixes with some of the milk and reduces the surface tension. And then the dye escapes outward.
Wow. All right.
Whee! This is a fun one that you could totally just do anywhere with.
Yeah, you need some dyes and some milk.
What a great time.
Wow.
That's experiment number 2. That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
Fantastic.
I'm gonna make some more drawings. And thank you for joining us today for day 12. I just feel so accomplished today, Ro. I think we did great work.
Me
And-
too. We made an electromagnet and pictures with dye.
Yeah, what a fun day. Give us a like, a subscribe, bring me a comment below if you've tried this or if you have any ideas for other science experiments, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 13. Guys, P.S. We forgot to do the fizzy tablet. So, we pop the fizzy tablet into the water underneath the oil and watch the oil.
Bringing droplets back up.
Yeah, it's bringing droplets back up. I'm gonna try to get a good shot of it. Yeah, there you go. Okay, you can see it. Yeah, look at those droplets go.
Yeah.
Focusing.
Little extra bit there.
Yeah. So the fizzy tablet gets, you kind of just shoot it right down under the oil. And look at it go. Look at all the things coming back up. Huh. Isn't that clever? Yeah. Party.
There we go.
Thanks, Ro.